All right, here's one that's really far out, right? It's worth thinking about. We've described an optical system where the perspective contains depth information. So if you want to use the polar coordinate system, then you have all the depth information throughout the thoroughfare in layers of expectations for your light lag as it arrives. And the real, the far out notion worth thinking about is the phase coupling effect. When you take an optical system and you cross lattice an empty space, go ahead and call it empty if you will, inside of a processor deep inside, you cross couple it such that it's an energy optical system. And I then wonder, is there no smallest? Is that to understand the multiplex for which the existence works so well that quantum entanglement is simply not acknowledging the warp of perspective to local constants? Local constants like how much surface pressure is on space-time because of the planes of decisions consequence, that forefront and Masonic links and phase distances. And so because you can take a simple shape to describe the optical characteristics, I'm kind of partial of one circle, a smaller circle, and a line intercepting on the outer forefront, kind of like the spherical linkage, but just planar. Frequency conversions that you could expect in quantum dots, for example. But if you imagine this as like a lens, like for inspection, and you're looking through it, and you do that cross lattice of energy, man, it's just amazing what that means in the ability for us to basically phase lock a safe amount of energy relative to our true field of recognition of signals within. And that's what makes that civilization possible, that can live in the recycling sphere and continue to have an infinite adventure within that temporal lock, such that they make their own constant into a point in space, because a point in space technically should be able to exist too. Uh, uh, hmm? Something to think about, you know. Saturday night thought process of the week. That's fucking worth it. All right.